Anim siya. Component of one team is 6 players. So, first 3 players, sila po yung unang isasala. So, you have a center player, right wing player, and the left wing player. So, wala naman sinasabi na kung sino talaga yung paano position nila. Basta ay magbabantay. Itong area na ito, bantayan nila yan. So, pwedeng ganito. Ang tawag sa nila ay triangle. Or pwede naman dito, pantay sila. Pero anong disadvantage kung pantay silang tatlo? Ha?
Magbabanggaan.
So pag nag-defense sila ng goal, ng area nila ay may possibility na
magbanggaan.
Okay? Yan. So mamaya ituturo yung step by step kung paano mag-throw at defense and yung isa pa. Paano magpasa ng bola. Okay? So ngayon, bago tayo maglaro, kailangan mag-orient tayo dito sa... Kasi pag wala siyang takip, wala siyang duct tape, isang takpan, tatanggal ko siya. So kailangan natin siya ititig. So, dito sa kamila, okay na po. So, kailangan natin ng volunteer para mag-tape po. Practice ng tape. Or, vinyl tape. Basta anything na titigil sa floor. So, ang kanyang size is 2 inches po ang lapad. Sige po, i-tape na natin.
Volunteer, kasi po.
Ang tali. Patay yung tali. Patay yung
goal post. So dito po siya to represent our goal post. Both sides. Opo. Ano po? May tape pa ba?
Circle.
Para mabilis.
Ayan, so kailangan lahat ng mga tali ay
Center mo.
So, habang naglalagay po sila ng mga so, ikot lang po natin, feel lang na yung eye shades kanina na worth 5,000. Tulog po na, paikot lang. Feel mo po.
masuot mo.
Okay, yung bola po para sa information po ninyo, nagkakahalaga na po yan na
Galing, galing. Eye shades. Ito ay eye shades. Okay. May laman, sir?
Meron. Kaya lang sa ang hina ka ng bell. Grabe talas ng pandinig ang gagawin. Saka ang bigat pag tinamaan ka talaga.
Ano laman, ma'am?
Parang may
Ay, Ben. Bigat mo. So, dapat may tali.
Ano po to? Medical eye patch po. Yan ang nilalagay after the operation surgical sa mata.
Magaan lang. Ano yan, ma'am? Anong bola yan?
Goal po.
Sige, practice po natin yung data para mas mabilis. Pwede natin natin-request dyan sa ating mga EPS. Di ba ba? Papakita po. Okay, coach?
Pati yung bola may bell inside. Sturdy, di ba? So use mo yung bola kung pasko kasi may kamay. May iba pwede carling.
Oh, bahala.
So mag-ball na tayo kasi yung bola pwede magamit sa caroling.
Ay, kada din, sir. 5,000.
Isang piraso lang.
Oh, tanong ni Sir, in case na walang bola, anong alternative? Pwede po yung bola ng basketball, pero wala po siyang bell. Ha? Mahirap talaga.
May option na. Pwede kayo ng KNSD, daming mga bola doon na basag. Kayo na lang mga ball, lagi ng team. Anyway, so ito yung bola. We will demonstrate to you sa yung ano yung out, ano yung one, ha? So see, on that side, ito na sa center, George. By the way, this is George Lucero. He's partially blind, na classified siya as B2. But apparently went to surgery, pero hindi lang masyadong successful. Nag-improve konti yung pananaw niya. So, nag-improve yung pananaw. Ba't niyo alam na alam niyo bakit na sabi ko na nag-improve yung pananaw niya? Kasi yung nag-surgery siya, nilapitan niya ako, Coach, gwapo mo pala. Tama ka na yung ano. Okay? So anyway, we'll start off with when is the ball out and what is the ball in. So now, para klaro tayo, this is a rectangular pitch. This is field, the field of play, FOP. Field of play is in the rectangle, the 9 by 18. Then other than that, it's out. So, sige, George, doon ka sa line. If the ball is dito, inside the field of play, it's in. Okay? If the ball is on the line, George, it's in. Okay? The whole of the ball goes out, it's out. If the ball, circumference ng ball, it's out. Why? Because of the puwet ng bola under, it touches the outside line. Klaro tayo? So yung puwet ng bola touches the outside, it's out. Okay? Irregardless of the circumference. Maybe the circumference is touching the line, but as long as the ball touches the outside, it's out. Klaro? Okay? So yun ang in, out. Si Sandara Parker. In and out. Okay? So nakuha. So next, sa goal. Ang explanation ng goal, different. The goal should be crossing the line. Whole. Buo. Maski yung circumference sa mga nakatouch line, no goal. Kung dito, dapat goal. Whole of the ball should cross this line, which is the goal line. But mind you, it should be under the crossbar. Kaya kasi, what if the ball goes up the crossbar? It doesn't go inside the goal. So no goal. It should, so the definition of the goal is between the post, under the crossbar, across the goal line. Whole of the ball. Goal. Goal. Then, what team? Philippines. Then, anong score ng Philippines? 2. Then, anong score ng Kalaban? 0. So, you will get here, when the goal is being scored, the goal judges will then raise their hand to determine that it's a goal. Then, the referee will acknowledge. Saan yung pang-referee ko? Kompleto recados tayo. So if there's a goal determined, the referee will say, goal, Philippines, 2-0. So ibig sabihin, ang nakagore, goal, Philippines, 2 yung goal nila, 0 yung Kalaban. Okay? So yun ang protocol. Okay? Klaro? So now, we'll go to particular lang sa short ball. Ang short ball, pag throw ka ng bola daw, nag-cross siya sa center line, but it stops approximately here. It doesn't reach the, dito, maski dito. The ball touches the neutral area only, not the line. So it's short ball. Okay, klaro? Now, the high ball. Yung high ball naman is hindi. Kung ampere nakamariwana high. Sorry. Yung lag. Ang high ball is, remember, this is what area? Yes, but particular what? Orientation area. And this is landing area. So both comprises the team area. Klaro? This is what we call the high ball line. So high ball line is part of team area. So ibig sabihin, the 6 meters is not this one. The 6 meters is this one. End of the line. So there's a difference, Yung iba pang-part nila kasi, ang rope ang 6 meters. No, it's not the rope, it's the line. So ang rope, i-adjust nyo to the center of the tape. The end of the line should be from to the point should be 6 meters. Okay, napa? Okay, because this is part of team area. The remaining part, this is the neutral area of this team, and neutral area of that team. Together we call it neutral area. This red part. Then this portion would be the high ball line of this team area. Then this is the landing area. This is the orientation. Very good. Then this is the team area. Good. Ma'am, pwede na tayo ulis. Galing, galing. At least wala ko. And bounce ito once. That's good. Okay? If it doesn't bounce the landing area, now it bounces here. Good or no good? It bounces here.
High ball.
Why?
High ball.
High ball?
High ball.
Ano?
High ball.
Problema si Zero. It's high ball. Kasi it touches the landing area. Because it touches the neutral area. Hindi siya nag-touch sa line. Ang circumference lang, yes. So dito, yung referee mo should be Eagles Eye 2020. Kasi kailangan yes, high ball. This is okay. High ball. Okay? Pagdating dito, nag-bounce once. Okay? So, nag-okay siya sa high ball line. So, nag-touch ito. Bang! Nag-travel dito. Bang! What? Long ball? Or not? Remember, siya nag-touch. Dito nag-touch. Nag-touch zone, okay. Hindi siya high ball. We're determining ka na, okay na yun. Hindi siya high ball, kaya nag-touch sa line. Nag-touch sa team area. Ngayon, nag-touch dito sa neutral area.
Good.
Good. Good o good?
Good.
Good, kasi neutral. Bro? Ano yan? Mayroon bang yan? It's long ball. Because this is part of team area of the... So, lalo na dito. Long ball talaga. Klaro pa sa klaro pa sa mga clear. Okay? So, okay, that was na. Okay na? So, this is what? Good defense or illegal defense? Good defense, illegal defense. Good defense, illegal defense.
Good.
Good defense, illegal defense.
Illegal.
No. It's a prerequisite to illegal defense. Remember, may dapat meron defensive touch. Dapat may defensive touch. Ball. George. That's illegal defense. Antayin natin. Nag-roll yung bola. Okay lang. Pero kung nag-roll ang bola, pumasok na yun.
Goal.
Pumasok na yun dito.
Goal.
We call, yes, illegal defense, but
It's a goal.
disadvantage sa kanya. Not working as advantage, but the moment he blocks the ball, it went up or his teammate gets the ball, that's illegal defense. Okay? Klaro? Okay? So, ang noise naman, basta thrower will make unnecessary noise, the two other one will make unnecessary noise, then yun naman. Okay? The rest is, madali na lang. So, yun lang yung pinagagawa natin about high ball, long ball. The rest is judgment po ng referee. Kung meron bang at 40, may delay of game. Okay? Nagwa? Now, basic. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Ito lang pa. Now, remember, ang teaching natin, when you coach, you have to always remember the three guides mo, four guides, the 4 R's. Read, ready, react, re-engage. Again, ano yun? Read, ready, react, engage. No, sa block. Sa block, what is read? Read is, so you have to learn origin ng bola. Okay? George, mag-I6 ka na. So, nakita siya? That's the read. So, it determines the origin ng bola. See? Nakita niyo? He adjusts to the content kung saan nag-originate yung bola. So, that's the read. Then the other read is also, what are the things that you have to be aware of read when you be mindful? What be mindful of when you do defending? Defending, what are the rules in goalball that you have to be mindful of when you defend? So make sure that you are in the team area. Okay, so yun lang pa niya. Basic. Okay? So, that's the read. Ready is the position. Now, nowadays, because mabilis din bola, ang ready position namin is the sitting down. Okay? That position. No, then on force, of course, load. Yeah. That's the top position. Yeah. Yeah, or pwede yung hands forward, George. Yeah. Okay, that's the that's the second position. That position, then the lateral. Yung sinabi mo lateral, yung one leg, yan. That's the third position. So again, sitting down, the top position, run on force, then lateral. Pero kung ma-penalty, crouch position. Penalty. Okay? Ayan. But we don't allow your players to do this one during rally of the game. Bakit? It will take time to lie down. Pero kung penalty, kasi lang mag-isa, it's crouch position. Okay? Already position, yung George, komportable ka. So, more city. So now, look at this one. If the ball goes this side, so look at George how he blocks the ball. Going this way, side ito. Okay. So, position, presto. Okay, George, ready. Okay? Now, anong mechanics? Position, presto. So, Now, analyze this. Teachers, which part of his body propels him to go this way? Upward position. Huh? It's this four. This one pushes, go push. See? Again, mali. So you have to teach this. This one propels you to move and go. Extend, no, stop. Extend. So, nakita, extend. Tama lang yung with the bola. This arm should cover your head. To cover it. Fully extend. Fully extend. Okay? Then, body is inclined forward. Hindi ganito. Kasi ito, rampa. Magrampa yung bola. But dito, incline forward. Okay? Teka, mo yung pan. Gagawin mo, George. Ako yung pan, George, dito. Then, ako yun. Kung ako nag-lock dito, George, doon ka. Wala.
Eye shades, coach.
Anong gagawin mo, George?
Eye shades.
So, cover. Ako na ba dito? Air should do cover. Now, ang ginawa ni George ngayon is the sliding down. So, balik dito. Without pagmananan pa. Isa sa yung kapugiran mo pala tayo buwan. So, now, how do you slide? Going that way. Go. Slide down. So, which of the body helps you propel to upside down? It's the arm. So again, slowly, George, slow motion. So look at this arm. Okay? Ito yung propel niya going down. Go. See? So in force, ito yung mag-slide up. Ito mag-slide down. Okay? Teachers, ako natin. And now, sabi ni ma'am, learning by doing. Let's try to clean the floor.